to make the base for the feet or shoes, you get your leg dowel and you make sure that this part is on the back, because that's the back of your knee. That's very important. Okay. You dip your stick into the water so the clay will adhere itself to the stick, and you mold your clay around the stick for the foot.
You leave the feet base to dry fully like before, and then you sand it again over a piece of newspaper. If you like, you can shape the lower legs a little bit more, and this is especially important if you're going to make bare feet. It is less important if your puppet is going to have shoes sculpted or shoes made from cloth or leather.
An alternative to making the feet attached to the bottom leg, as I'd suggested to make the base, you can also make shoes separately. And what you do is you draw out on a piece of paper, you draw out the shape of the sole of the foot. You put it on the clay, cut it out, and you put a little rim of clay on it. And it is important that you put a little bit of cling film under the bottom of the leg. So you can take it out, you leave it dry like this with the stick in it, and then when it's dry you can take it out and you can start building up the shoe. So you always make sure that it still fits. So it's easier, like if you're making shoes, it's easier to make it separately like this than on the stick. But this is very important if you make bare feet. To do this method, shoes is okay, this method, okay?